Hey, have you ever wondered how you can make money online, but you just don't know where to start? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to get started, and trust me, it's a lot simpler than you think. So if you're a beginner and you want to start earning money online, affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to do it now. You might be asking, what's affiliate marketing? It's really simple. Basically, you promote other people's products, and when someone buys through your link, you get paid a commission. Think of it like recommending a cool video game or a favorite gadget to a friend. When they buy it, you get rewarded. Here's how it works. First, you pick a product you like. Next, you share a special link with others. When someone click on that link and make a purchase, you get a piece of that money they spend. Easy, right? Now, the cool part is you don't need to create your own products, deal with shipping, or even worry about customer service. You just focus on sharing the right products with the right people. And the best part is there are so many niches or areas to choose from. When starting out, it's important to choose a niche that you enjoy. Maybe you're into fitness, technology, fashion, or even pets. These are great places to start. Imagine recommending your favorite workout gear or the latest tech gadget you just bought. People trust honest recommendations, and when they buy, you earn. But why is affiliate marketing the easiest way to get started online? Well, it's because you don't need to have any special skills. You can start with zero experience. Plus, once you have chosen a niche, you can literally just start earning money from day one by sharing those affiliate links. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to start making money online because you don't need to create your own product. There's no hassle with shipping or dealing with customers, and it doesn't cost much to get started. Just a little bit of your time and effort. So if you're ready to take action and start your own affiliate marketing business, here's the best part. You can clone a 7-figure business in minutes without any tech skills or experience. Imagine a blueprint that's already proven to work. If you want to learn more about how to get started and get access to everything you need, I'll leave the link in the description below. Just click that link one step closer to your own affiliate marketing business. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on how to make money online. I'll see you in the next one.